Maharashtra's sweeping food safety crackdown is facing growing judicial scrutiny, with the Bombay High Court repeatedly questioning the Food and Drug Administration's enforcement practices. Now, since taking charge as FDA Commissioner on the 25th of May, IAS officer Tukaram Munde has launched one of the state's most extensive food safety drives. In just over 2 months, the department says that it has carried out more than 1,100 inspections across Maharashtra and has seized food products worth over 50 crore rupees, confiscated 1.6 lakh litres of alleged milk, suspended licenses of 56 restaurants and invoked makoka against organised gutka syndicates. But the Bombay High Court raised concerns over whether the campaign is in fact being applied fairly. The court raised questions on why actions appear to be focused on private establishments, while canteens run by the government and semi-government bodies escaped similar scrutiny. Now, after the Bombay High Court observations, the FDA teams inspected canteens inside the premises of the Bombay High Court to begin with, and one was even ordered to stop operations for allegedly functioning without the FSSAI license, while the other two received improvement notices. The regulators faced another setback when the court set aside the suspension of a restaurant in Navi Mumbai after a re-inspection found it fully compliant. Now, the bench also indicated that it may impose costs on the FDA for losses suffered due to continued closure, while the FDA maintains that its campaign is aimed at strengthening food safety and eliminating adulteration. The High Court has made it clear that enforcement must remain fair, consistent and fully compliant with due process.
Well, that is right. Maharashtra's food safety crackdown has reached the doors of the Bombay High Court as well. In the past 3 hearings, Bombay High Court particularly has commented, saying that why the department is only going behind private establishments like the restaurants or the shops, and why the government-run canteens or the other establishments are going unchecked. So the Bombay High Court had directed the FDA department to particularly inspect the government as well as public-run canteens as well across the state and submit a report in the next couple of weeks. So keeping that in mind, 3 canteens were inspected within the premises of the Bombay High Court itself, and 2 were found to be operating without valid licenses, and they were asked to turn off the operations and close the canteen with immediate effect.